Hi, Cal from BHP UK, and continuing revisiting some of the older BMWs that we've done on our dyno. We're revisiting the BMW F chassis 4 Series. It's running the 3 litre 255 brake horsepower diesel engine. It's running the Bosch EDC 17 ECU. Get it on the dyno, do what we normally do, run it up, see how BMW is set it up at the factory, and then write a map accordingly. So the 430, it's a fabulously popular car. It's a great engine, it's a great chassis. If you own one of these cars, why don't you drop your experiences in the comment section below, let us know what you've thought about your ownership. We're really happy with what we've managed to achieve with this car. It was running a little bit more than stock. It actually made 259 brake horsepower on our dyno and 579 Newton meters of torque. The car's now running 329 brake horsepower, again off a full 70 brake horsepower and 703 Newton meters of torque. Please do subscribe to the channel, it really does help us out, and hit the bell icon, that'll keep you notified of any new BMW videos that we bring you to the channel.